Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all doing well. So today I'm back with another video on manga where the main character is reincarnated as a child. And before we start, I just request you all to press the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And now let's get to the top 10. Number 10, Tensei Shichata Yo. After a god screws up and accidentally takes high schooler Sho's life, he offers him reincarnation with a gift to make up for it. Sho asks to retain all his old memories for the new life. Sho is reborn as Will, a noble son in a world where magic use is common and involves the knowledge of kanji characters. With all his memories, he's a brilliant toddler, and when he experiments with magic, he finds that he has amazing talent for it. What's more, though he was smart but unloved in his past life, in his new life he has a mother and a father who both love him deeply. Number 9. The eighth son that can't be right. Ichinomiya Shingo, a 25-year-old man working at a firm company while thinking of tomorrow's busy working day, goes to sleep. However, when he woke up, he found himself in a room unknown to him and realized that he's inside of a 6-year-old's body. Taking over his body and mind, he soon learns from the memories of the boy that he was reborn as the youngest child of a poor noble family living in the backcountry. Having no administrative skill, he can't do anything to manage the vast land his family has. Fortunately, he is blessed with a very rare talent, the talent of magic. Number 8. A boy who has been reincarnated twice spends his days peacefully as an S-rank adventurer. The story follows our main character who dreams to have a peaceful life as a simple adventurer. Except this boy is actually the reincarnation of a legendary hero that has slain the demon lord, and the hero was a reincarnation of a legendary sage who knew all magic. Alright, so this manga has pretty good art and the story is nothing special. Also, the main character is really overpowered, but even though he has been reincarnated twice, he acts really dumb and this really annoys me sometimes. Overall, it was a pretty decent read, so give it a try and see if you like it. Number 7. Reincarnated as an aristocrat with an appraisal skill. An ordinary salesman dies one day and is reborn as Ars Luvent, the son of a noble. Although he isn't talented in magic or swordplay, he does have one skill that no one else possesses, appraisal. Using this ability, Ars can determine a person's current strength, how much potential they hold, and where their talents rest. This skill is especially useful in the present situation of the country. The government is corrupt, revolts occur more often than not, and nobles far and wide are strengthening their fortifications in preparation for an all-out war. Number 6. Reincarnated to become the strongest magician, the demon lord of the frontiers. There was a mage called the Lone Demon King of the frontier. He was just a creature that never grew old, but he was loved by the villagers as something of a guardian deity. However, he was destroyed by a magic organization that saw his existence as dangerous. 200 years later, he is reincarnated as the second son of an aristocrat and obtains the strongest magic power. However, being a human lover, he didn't particularly think of revenge and has decided to pretend to be a human in this life. Alright, so this manga has pretty decent art and the story doesn't really do anything new, but still it was a decent read, and as of now it has 11 chapters, so give it a try and see if you like it. Number 5. Lion Core Senki. Tanaka was a salaryman who lived an average life, but that life came to an end when he was 41 years old, or it was supposed to. But when he came to, he was standing in a world that resembled medieval Europe. There was no heating and the food was eaten with bare hands. On top of all that, the pigs ran wild in the city. And in this harsh world, Tanaka would live his second life as Lion Court. Alright, so this manga has only 10 chapters as of now, but it has a lot of potential, and looking at as the manga is progressing, it seems like it will have a lot of action and gore in it. If you think that you'll enjoy something like this, you should definitely give it a try. Number 4. The strongest sage with the weakest crest. In a certain world, there was someone who excelled in magic combat. People called him Sage. Seeking the strongest combat art, he devoted himself to research every magic and the combat arts in existence. And the conclusion he arrived at was very cruel. My body is not fit for magic. Yet he didn't give up. He sealed his own body with a magic art and was reborn in a far off future as Matthias, a 6-year-old boy and the third son of a duke's family. He attains the mark of the close combat he always desired, and when he was 12 years old, his unrivaled swordsmanship lands him in the Second Royal Academy. Number 3. After being reborn, I became the strongest to save everyone. Eric has had a hard life. At the age of 16, his village was overrun by monsters who killed his friends and family. He soon became a soldier but failed to save the life of the woman he loved. In the end, he died on the battlefield, surrounded by the bodies of those he couldn't protect. When Eric wakes up, he finds himself in a baby's body, realizing that he has been reincarnated. He quickly wonders what is going on before he gets another shocker. The man and the woman who are raising him are in fact his previous life's parents. Number 2. Dori Tensei. Ars, the prince of a kingdom, was called the strongest wizard, but died at a young age because of his fragile body. But on the verge of death, he used reincarnation magic and was successfully reincarnated as Val's Sai, a slave with the best body. Vals became the escort of a princess in a small country and used his best body and magic to crush all his enemies. Alright, so this manga has really good art, and at the start the story seemed really interesting, but as the manga progressed, it started to become a lot more predictable. Also, this manga has the harem tag, so it might not be for everyone. Number 1. The Death Mage Who Doesn't Want a Fourth Time. Amamiya Hiroto died during an incident on a school boat trip. After death, he met a god of reincarnation who requested that the 100 or so death passengers be reincarnated to another world. But a series of unfortunate events forced Hiroto to be reincarnated with even less luck than before. Starting with nothing but a tremendous amount of mana, his second life, far worse than his first, comes to a cruel end. However, upon meeting the god a second time, he was informed that there would be yet another reincarnation, one that had already been set in motion and could not be stopped. And with that, we have reached the end of today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, just leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want me to make videos on any specific topic, just leave a comment down below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.